Hi, this is Kathy from Kathyhealthtips. Anybody know what it is? Daikon or white radish. Why I want to share this with everybody? Now at this season, so many people had coffee. Seems cannot stop, always coffee. So this one's very good, very suitable for coffee. White radish. According to Chinese medicine, these enter the lung, spleen, and stomach meridians, beneficial for our lung function. White color could tonic our lung function, right? So white radish, Daikon. Each time you could use this, maybe 200 grams, like this, cut into small pieces, put into the pot, boil it maybe for 5 or 10 minutes, and then drink it. Of course, coffee usually have 3 types of different coffee. Most common or early stage we call the cold coffee. So for example, I catch a cold, I have runny nose, a little bit of headache. Then this Daikon combined with this is called the mandarin peel. It's kind of orange peel. Or you could use ginger. This 2 or 3 pieces, boil together, drink it. You could drink it several times a day, especially when you have pretty bad coffee. So this is usually for the cold type coffee. And then when getting inside, we change to heat type. Or some people, their body belong to kind of a heat type body. For example, they feel throat hurting. They maybe had a little bit of fever. Then still use this Daikon or white radish. You could boil with this mint. Or you could, if you don't have mint, you could put some Asian pear. Also cut into small pieces, Asian pear and this, boil them for 10 or 15 minutes, drink it. This for hot type. And then if still cannot stop, or some people already coughing for a long time, then we'll say it's a dry type of coffee. So those people, other than throat hurting, they already have some, for example, they feel so thirsty. They still have a little bit of fever, and it's coffee, no flame. This maybe had a flame sometime. Cold type had a flame, but white color. Heat type also had a flame, but maybe yellowish type. But for the dry type of coffee, they just feel itching. Sometimes suddenly coughing. This we say is a dry type, the yin deficiency. So what you can do, still white radish or Daikon, like this, 200 grams, and cut into small pieces, and boil them with dry type, with a lily bulb, or simply just put some honey. That's also okay. Or you even could put some walnuts, the dry type. Because this mint, maybe you can get fresh mint. Ginger, you can get anywhere. But maybe this or this, you have to go to the Chinese herb store to get those. So you say, no, I don't have any herbal store at my city. I don't know, it's so much trouble. Just use whatever you have inside your kitchen. For example, cold type Daikon with ginger. Heat type Daikon with mint. Dry type Daikon with honey or walnut. So just boil them. Make sure if you put honey in, wait until that broth or that tea to 80 degrees, 80 Celsius, okay. Not just ready to boil it and then you put honey. That will kill so many enzymes, right? So honey cannot handle high temperature. Until maybe 80 degrees should be fine. Put honey and then drink them. So let me repeat. Basically, for the winter time or early winter or late autumn time season, white radish or daikon is a suitable one for the very common food we can use to help us. For example, like this, I got this several days ago. I didn't get a chance to cook it yet. I tried to get a fresh one from our neighbor Safeway. Seems all gone. Okay, so I still use this old one. Of course, fresh is better. So whatever, or you don't know what type of coffee, cold type, hot, heat type, or dry type, doesn't matter. Just use this daikon. A little bit of Asian pear, a little bit of honey, basically cover everything. Because daikon itself, a little bit cooling type. So if your body already catching a cold, it's a cold type coffee, just try to put some ginger. That's all. And if a heat type by itself, no problem. If the dry type by itself, no problem. But still put a bit of honey will make it much efficient. And keep in mind, for coughing, especially long term of coughing, make sure you have good bowel movement. And then make sure do not eat any spicy food. And you can eat more white color food. That all could tonic our lung function, make us easily to get through this long term of this winter time. Okay, good luck. Could subscribe my YouTube channel, Kathyhealthtips, for more health suggestion. Or you want any advice about how to use alternative medicine, use herbs, or some acupressure, or some stretching exercise for a common health condition, then search at my YouTube channel at Kathyhealthtips. Good luck.